Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset on this device. Before starting, please ensure that your battery is charged to at least 50% and that you have backed up any important information, because hard reset erases all data from your device, including photos, contacts, documents, applications, etc. So let's start. First of all, you want to power off your device completely. To do that, you want to tap a volume up button and power button simultaneously like this quickly, and then let's use the slider to power off your device. So now, when you powered off your device completely, you have to press and hold the power button and also volume down button simultaneously like this until OPPO logo appears. Then you want to release the power button, but you want to keep holding volume down button until the recovery mode screen will appear. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, so now you want to select, this is recovery mode. Now we want to select your preferred language. Of course, it's English. Let's tap it and let's select next format data. Verification code, you can see on your screen, you have to enter it, 6746. Of course, in your case it will be something different. And now let's tap format to confirm. Wait a little bit, tap OK button, and now your device will restart automatically. That could take for a few minutes, so you want to wait a little bit. And that's it. We have just performed hard reset on this device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.